Be going over some of the crazy prehistoric creatures and dinosaurs from Madagascar. The first up is the Simosuchus. This creature, it's a crocodile, but it doesn't look like one. It kind of looks like a Komodo dragon, if you'll see in life. It is named the pug-nosed crocodile because of its resemblance to a pug's face. In life, it was really interesting. It's the only ever vegetarian crocodile. It only ate plants, and it didn't really go in water. At least that's what scientists believe. Because of its stubby tail and legs, it wouldn't have done too well in the water. Our next insane creature is Beelzebufo, I think, also known as the devil toad. Obviously coming from Beelzebub, the demon, and Bufo, which is Latin for toad. In life, it ate small theropod hatchlings, like T-Rex hatchlings, although I don't know if it would have eaten T-Rex hatchlings since it was on Madagascar, and I have no clue if T-Rexes lived on Madagascar. I don't think they did, so they probably didn't eat that. Here's it compared to a human, and here's it compared to a frog. Interestingly, it had a bite force of around 110 to 490 pounds, compared to today's horned frogs, which it's clearly a horned frog, which have a bite force of 6.5 to 112 pounds. I just thought that was kind of crazy that its bite force was so much bigger than other frogs. Already crazy big, but some paleontologists have said that it could have gotten even bigger due to the way that the skull isn't closed. I don't know exactly what that means. This is a particular species of Masiacosaurus named Masiacosaurus knopfleri. I don't think it's that interesting, but it's named after the lead singer of Dire Straits, which my friend really likes. I don't like them very much. I don't think they're very good. But whenever they played songs by Dire Straits, they would find more fossils. So they named this dinosaur after Mark Knopfler. So that's kind of cool. That's about it for him, though. This right here is Majungasaurus, he's a theropod. He kind of looks like a lankier Carnotaurus. The interesting thing about him is that he was a cannibal. He fed on his own species. We know this because of tooth marks on the Majungasaurus bones, and you can kind of see one of the bones up here. You can see the little scratch right there from the teeth. This is Rahonevis, a small theropod who lived on Madagascar. The cool thing about him is scientists think that he probably could have flown or flew or whatever, which means that since he wasn't actually closely related to birds, he kind of proves that birds evolved flight twice. Like dinosaurs/birds evolved flight twice. Once in feathered dinosaurs and once again in birds. It's really cool actually to think about how they evolved it once and then they went back, they went to walking, and then they evolved those walking dinosaurs, they evolved it again. That's just kind of crazy. I guess it just proves that flight was really the way to go for them. Those were my favorite crazy creatures from Madagascar. Thanks for watching till the end.